Hi, good morning everyone. It's 2 in the morning and this is the first day of my trip to Taipei, Computex, and I'm gonna get ready. My flight's at 5 a.m. and I only had 4 hours of sleep and there's no water. So this is more fun in the Philippines. We don't have any running water since 5:30 p.m. last night in Cebu because there was a major leak at the restaurant, next to the restaurant here in our town in the Hook. So as you can see, I am ready. I'm packed already. I'll see you in the airport because it's dark. I can't really show you anything outside. So good morning. So I'm heading towards the corner. As you can see, it's really dark. It's only 2:30 in the morning. See you at the airport. Bye-bye. So I'm at the check-in counters and there isn't anyone here yet. It's 3 in the morning and there isn't any check-in clerk yet. Morning.
Times while inside the aircraft. Other portable